Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall continue discussing practicing with E and ln. So in this question, we require to rewrite this expression, which is negative ln 3 plus 1, as a single logarithm in simplest form without any negative exponents. So the idea here is that we have ln of something and we just have 1. So in order to combine these two expressions, I need to write 1 as ln of whatever. So what is 1 equal to? So you should know that ln x is the same as log x base e. So if we want to get rid of the log, we can write this as log base e power something. So if we write here e power 5, for example, then we can take this 5 outside and log e power 5 base e becomes the same as 5 log e base e, which is the same as 5. So what does this tell us? This tells us that log e power 5 base e is the same as 5, and this is the same as ln, so we can say that ln e power 5 is the same as 5 as well. So if we want to write 5 in terms of ln, we can just write it as ln e power 5. How would that work for 1? So I have 1 and I want to write it in terms of ln something. So I can just write it as ln e power 1, because I know that this will give me 1 at the end. So for example, if we want to write 3 as ln of something, it becomes ln e power 3, because then again, this would be the same as log base e power 3. We remove the power, we get it outside, and this expression here is equal to 1. So we end up with 3, which is what we originally had in the first place. Therefore, if I want to write any number in terms of ln, I can just write ln e power this number. Let's apply this concept to the question above. So we have minus ln 3 plus 1. So I'm just going to rewrite it as minus ln 3 plus ln e power 1. So this 1 became ln e power 1. And I'm going to take the negative sign inside as a power. So it becomes negative 1 inside. And now I have ln plus ln. How do I resolve that? So we know that if we have ln plus ln, we just multiply the terms inside. So we have ln 3 power negative 1 multiplied by e power 1. Since they don't want any negative exponents, we can just take the 3 to the denominator, and we get ln e power 1 over 3 power 1. And this is the same as ln e over 3. Let's try another problem. So this one is a bit easier. We have negative ln 2 plus ln 3. So first we take the negative sign as a power inside. So it becomes ln 2 power negative 1 plus ln 3. This is the same as ln 2 power negative 1 times 3. And this is the same as ln 3 over 2. So the final answer here would be ln 3 over 2. Write the expression negative 3 ln 2 plus ln 5 as a single logarithm in simplest form without any negative exponents. Again, we're going to first take the power inside. So we have negative 3 outside. This becomes ln 2 power negative 3 plus ln 5. And then we can multiply the terms inside. So we have ln 2 power negative 3 multiplied by 5. And this is the same as ln 5 over 2 power 3, which is the same as ln 5 over 8. So we have 5 over 8 inside the brackets, and this is our final answer. Let's try one more. Here we have negative ln 2 plus 2 ln 3. So let's take the powers inside. This becomes ln 2 power negative 1 plus, and this becomes ln 3 power 2. Together they give us ln 2 power negative 1 multiplied by 3 power 2, and this is the same as ln 3 power 2 over 2 power 1, which is ln 9 over 2. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.